This is our version of the Peter Luger steaks, the steakhouse that's in New York City. So we got some nice ribeyes here. So we're gonna got them seasoned up with some seasoning salt. We're gonna sear them really high heat in some butter. We're gonna cut them up to about 3/4 inch slices and put them in the oven and broil them for about 3 minutes. I'll tell you through the process, but that is the plan for tonight. Got the ribeyes on. We're gonna get a nice sear and a nice crust on the outside, and then we'll come back. Go ahead and cut these up into finger thick strips here. Yeah, they're probably 3/4 of an inch. Some of them might be an inch. Let's see if we can do all this more. Already got the first one in there. Put some butter on them. I'll probably do a tablespoon each. Should just spread this out. Got them pulled out. We put them in for actually 5 minutes, not the 3. Looking good. Give you a hot. Maybe 4 minutes would have been perfect. This one looks to be a little bit done. This one's probably pretty good. It's like medium well. It's good stuff though.